Chhattisgarh, first state to link forest ecosystem with green GDP. The moves aim to highlight the direct link between significant environmental contributions of forests like clean air, water conservation, biodiversity, and the state's economic progress. Capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister is Vishnu Dev Sai. Forest accounts for Chhattisgarh's 44% of land cover, playing crucial role in mitigating climate change. Forest products like tendu leaves, lac, honey, and medicinal plants contribute significantly to the rural economy. The initiative aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's developed India 2047 vision, focusing on long-term ecological and economic sustainability. What is green GDP? Green GDP was coined in late 1980s with aspiration to modify GDP better to reflect the impacts of economic activities on the environment. The origin of green GDP can be traced back to the 1993 United Nations publication Handbook of National Accounting Integrated Environmental and Economic Accounting. Green GDP is an economic indicator that aims to measure the true economic performance of a country while considering the environmental impact of economic activity. It's calculated by subtracting the costs of resource depletion and environmental degradation from a country's traditional GDP. Green GDP is equal to net domestic product minus cost of depletion of natural resources plus cost of degradation of ecosystem. GDP overlooks environmental depletion and degradation, often treating them as gains. Economic gains. It is also known as environmentally adjusted domestic product. Challenges in implementation of green GDP, valuation complexity, data limitations, standardization, political resistance, lower GDP figure, inconsistent valuation, etc.